Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Oakland Park local and long distance movers near me. It's a known fact. Relocation is not easy and many individuals dread it. Hiring capable Oakland Park local TM movers is your best decision to reduce your stress and worries. That's who we are, and we're here to offer our services. Right from the walk-in to our reception, you get the warmest smiles from our staff. You'll also get a comprehensive explanation of our services and prices, which are affordable. Our team is available to help you work through the best service depending on your budget and other preferences. With this set right, your relocation journey is halfway completed. Our local moving services include packing, loading, and moving your items to your new location. We ensure they are well sealed to prevent loss or damage during the trip. Are you looking for the best mover for a long-distance journey? We are what you seek. Our team of Oakland Park long-distance movers has the best training on how to ace a long trip and is ready to help you move out to your new destination immediately. Just before moving, we perform a thorough inventory check on each item to ensure all are intact upon delivery. Your safety and that of your items are a major concern for us, so we work with security personnel to follow up during the trip. All these offers come at a juicy and affordable price. It's not just about beating the competition. It's also about keeping the quality and standard of service high, just like we've done in times past. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oakland Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.